What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at pet products that you can consider having for your house, for your dog. Right now, let's go ahead and dive in and look at these dog products. Okay, so if you're anything like me, you have a dog who likes to get up on the couch, unfortunately, even though you tell him not to, but you need to have a way to clean it. And you can see, look at that. One of these right here helps with getting the hair off the couch. Those stubborn hairs that just don't want to come off, right? So, you know, you can vacuum it, or you can get one of these. There you go. You can see. Anyways, link to this product in the description below. So I actually have these doggy beds in a couple rooms. I have one in the living room, which is a big one. That way, in case the cat and the dog want to sit together. And then I have one in my bedroom. So another dog bed in the bedroom for him. You can see he likes to follow me around, but he knows where to sleep on his dog bed. It's comfortable, he likes it. Okay, now being that it's summer, dogs are shedding. You know, you can get a couple different tools for that. This one here, I'll have a link to it below, solid. But this brush right here, probably a little bit better option. I've been trying different things to get rid of all of the hair that he's shedding. When it comes to dog shampoo, you know, when I'm wetting him down, cleaning him off, getting the hair and just giving him a bath, I use this Burt's Bees for Dogs oatmeal shampoo. I found that it works pretty good, so I'll also put a link to that in the description. When it comes to organizing for your pets, I recommend these bins right here. I can post a couple links to these bins that I got. Then having these rawhide dog bones. He likes these rawhide dog bones because he can chew on them until basically, you know, they don't exist anymore. And then if you wanted to get like a training harness, one of these harness collars, these are pretty good. This one I've taken off though, but it works if you need to use that instead of a collar. So this product here, it works to some extent. I mean, it's got mixed reviews. It's up to you if you want to give it a try. It could work, but basically, if your dog likes to pee, say on a certain part of the patio where you don't want him to, you apply this and it kind of lets them know like this is a no pee zone. So I cannot say for a fact if it'll work. I don't want to tell you it'll work and then it not work, but it's a product that's for training spray, teaching dogs not to pee in certain areas. You can try it, but I cannot guarantee that it'll work, but I'll put a link to it below in the description. Okay, and when it comes to cleaning up the mess, I have two different types of pooper scoopers, and I will tell you right now, the one that I've had the longest is this one, and it's actually still my favorite. I thought that when I would upgrade to the metal that I would like it better, but I actually still prefer this plastic one on the left. The metal one's good, I guess, but I'll put a link to both. They both work. Maybe this one's a little bit more weather resistant and whatnot, but this plastic one works great. I'll put a link to both. But, you know, you got to clean up the poop, right? Pooper scoopers. Okay, so the next item I have here is a training collar. This is actually a really affordable training collar here. And just in case you want to know what it feels like, you can actually test it on yourself, which I do recommend. So here you can see I have this right here. It's actually going off. I'll just put my finger right there so I can see what it feels like when I'm giving it to my dog. Obviously, you don't want to be doing anything too hard that hurts them. So you don't want to put this on too tight, but you know, whenever they're barking or something, or whenever you need to teach them how to walk, you know, you can kind of give them a little buzz. And the way my dog responds to that is kind of like, hey, what's that? So he knows he'll be doing his bad habit. Then I'll just do a little training collar thing, little vibration, and he knows, hey, he doesn't like that weird feeling. So I'll put a link to this in the description. All right, so in my office, I also have another dog bed. So you can see I have 3 different dog beds. This one's a little bit smaller than the other. So I'll put a link to this one, just a little bit smaller. And that's basically all I have for things for my dog. Obviously, I have a lot of treats that I get, varieties of bones and rawhides and different toys and stuff to keep him active. But anyways, all right, thank you for watching this episode of dog products that you can buy online from Urban J Reviews. And stay tuned for the one for my cat. You can see there he is on the next one. And thanks for liking the video and subscribing to this channel.